Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into firstbankcard. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open any web browser, and once you do that, type in www.firstbankcard and press the enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to its official website. In order to log in, go and click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by enrolling by clicking on Enroll button. Select your enrollment type and register yourself first. Once you have an account, you can easily click on the login button. Type in your information and log into your account. Start by typing in your user ID. Move on to the next field and type in your password. If you want to double-check your password, click on this eye icon so that you can reveal your password. Before moving on, if you want the system to remember you, use your ID, click on Remember Me. But if you are using a public device or shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. If you happen to forget your password in the process, go and click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done, click on Sign In and you'll be logged into firstbankcard account in no time. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.